Welcome to the world of Internet auctions. Internet auctions are good for the agent, the seller, and the buyer. Some of the major benefits are it will move your home faster. It's time saving for the listing agent because you do not have to go out to the home every time someone calls you. There are 3 previews. You make more money more ways. There's half a point for agents, a quarter of a point for brokers if they are referring their own agents, and a quarter of a point for a referring partner or affiliate. You can make additional income as an auctioneer, 1% as an auctioneer level 1 and 1.5% as an auctioneer level 2. You can also earn training fees if you become auctioneer level 3. And there is a bonus pool at the end of the year for top producers. Now this is all in addition to your real estate commission. These are marketing fees that you're getting. You'll get more buyer leads than ever before. Now I know everyone's getting a lot of buyer leads, but we capture more information on every visitor. And when the auction is over, you'll receive 2 Excel and CSV records, one of buyers and one of real estate agents. Then you can use our system for making the most of every lead. You can run the leads yourself or refer them for 25% of the commission. And for those who have mortgage and insurance divisions, our system will feed those businesses too. You can increase your business to bulk sales because we have expert business solutions with a marketing expert who can help you to make your business auction successful. It's good for the seller too because you get a buyer in 30 days. The auction goes online for 1 week prior to previews. Then there are 3 previews that are held about a week apart. Then the final preview is the final auction date and we have a winner. In addition, you generally have 1 or 2 runners-up. Now, our company requires those runners-up to get their offers in within 48 hours, the same as the winner. Now the seller can pay a smaller commission or none at all. That's why FSBOs love this. Why? FSBOs, why are they for sale by owner? Because they don't want to pay the commission. All or part of the commission can come from the buyer's transaction fee. Now all auctions have a buyer's transaction fee, whether it's cars, art, furniture, or real estate. The seller may or may not need to pay for advertising. If it's a typical real estate residential sale, we have plenty of advertising for them at no cost. There will be fewer interruptions in their daily life because there's no lockbox, no agents calling any time of the day or night, and no unexpected visits. You've all had that call where your seller had come out of the shower with a towel around them and found strangers in their living room. That won't happen. You get qualified buyers. These buyers generally have credit and cash. I think they believe that they need cash to come to the auction. So they become excellent mortgage clients and excellent financial services clients as well. Now there are 2 ways to participate. You can be Agent Express, which is a listing agent who puts their property up on the auction, and you get half a point just for using the auction marketing process, and one of our auctioneers will auction the property for you. Or you can become a certified auctioneer, and if you take the auction training, you can eventually reach 1.5%. Now that's in addition to your half point for bringing the property. That would be as a certified auctioneer level 2. Agent Express training. How do you get started? Well, you just sign up for your 1-hour online training. If you'd like to take the auctioneer training, you sign up for the 5-hour training. Then you sign up for our website as well. Now, what happens in Agent Express training? Well, the online training familiarizes you with auction terminology, practices, and tools. It only takes 1 hour to become Agent Express. And then you can earn half a point more and provide a comfortable, quick, and successful sale for your client. What do I get in the Agent Express training? Well, you get a 1-hour online training from one of our auctioneers and a downloadable manual with terms, listing information, practices, and helpful information for helping your clients through the online auction process. What do you get from the website? The website is www.experthomeauction.com. You can put up as many auctions as you like. There's no limit. You get a profile page to attract listings, buyers, and other agents for your team. You can just click on our Meet the Auctions to see a sample. Access to the marketing tools that Expert Home Auctions has developed or purchased is also a benefit. So what is the investment for Agent Express? Well, it's only $49.95 for your online training. But check with us for specials. Sometimes we run a reduced rate and sometimes even free trainings. And the membership on the website is only $12.95 per month. The other option, becoming a certified auctioneer. If you're interested in running your own auctions, there is additional training and compensation available. 1.5 points as auctioneer level 2. Classroom hands-on training is required. Contact Ben at our office, want to know what to do next, and sign up for the next online training for Agent Auction Express. Phone number is 858-752-6060, or it's Ben at advancedwealthtech.com, or you can send it to me at wem2529@yahoo.com. Now, before we go, I want you to see one other thing. We've been talking about percentages, and when we first started doing this, everyone was asking me, but how much money is that? So I figured it out. Back in the old days, the typical property in California sold for about $500,000. And you remember when everyone complained because they reduced the commission from 3% to 2.5%? But it was still a nice chunk of change, $12,500 commission. But nowadays, that same home sells for about $250,000, and you're still getting 2.5%, so now it's only $6,250. And tell me this, are you working harder? I think so. So nowadays, with EHAI, that's Expert Home Auctions International, same thing as a $250,000 purchase. You still get your regular real estate commission. 2.5%, $6,250. Now, if you represented both the buyer and the seller, you would get an additional 1 point. That would be another $2,500. If you decided to become an auctioneer level 2, you could get another 1.5 points, an additional $3,750. And brokers referring their own agents get 1/4 point, $625. Now that is better than most real estate fees that brokers get these days. The highest I've seen so far is $525. So when you take your regular real estate commission and you add all the possible marketing commissions that you can get, look, it's even higher than the real estate commission, you come up with $13,125. Wow, that's better than the good old days. So you see, you can make a great deal more simply by marketing your property. You have to do it anyway, right? So be sure to contact Ben at our office to sign up for the next online training for Agent Auction Express. 858-752-6060, Ben at advancedwealthtech.com, or wem2529@yahoo.com. Thank you very much for spending this time with us and for listening. We look forward to working with you.